How to create longer reels on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to create longer reels on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Instagram app on your mobile phone, and you know that Instagram reels are very famous nowadays and everybody wants to create reels on Instagram. And you might not know this, but you can create reels more than 15 seconds. You can create a reel for 30 seconds and 60 seconds as well. So how to change the time, how to create reels like longer. So for that, we will just simply create a reel. First you have to open up your Instagram camera, and that's what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna swipe, and here we are. So here you can see we have story, reel, and live. So I'm gonna select the reel option, and right now we are in our reels. So here you can see we have some of the options given, like we have music, and we have the filters, and then we have 15 written here, which is the timer for the reels. So I'm gonna click on this 15, and you can see it will give me more options such as 30, 60, and 90. So this is the time that we can add our reel to, and this is going to be the time for the reel. So I can select 60 from here, and now you can see I will be able to create a reel for 60 seconds. Similarly, I can select 90, and I can create an even longer reel on Instagram. So we have 15, 30, 60, and 90 seconds to create on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.